You don't want to just survive law school. You want to thrive, and LexisNexis is here to help. During your first year, solid class preparation skills teach you how to read, think, and analyze like a lawyer. Cut down your reading time and feel confident you haven't missed important points of law when preparing for class with the following 3 steps. 1. Review the law school case brief and summaries provided by Lexis. 2. Read the case in your casebook. 3. Use LexisNexis headnotes to create your own brief. Step 1. Read LexisNexis summaries and case briefs. Before delving into your casebook, reading the case summaries and case briefs on Lexis Plus will help you identify the essential legal points. This step is crucial for writing your own case briefs to prepare for class. Access the case summaries on Lexis Plus by entering the citation or case name provided in your textbook. Let's use Palsgraf v. Long Island Railroad with the citation 248 New York 339. Type the citation into the search box without adding periods or spaces and hit Enter. Scroll down to find the case summary, which covers the procedural posture, overview, and outcome of the case to help you better understand what you're about to read. Next, look for the blue Law School Case Brief button. The LexisNexis Case Brief will provide you with a better understanding of the case's parts, including the rule that comes out of the case, the key facts and issues of the case, and the conclusion of the court. Reviewing the LexisNexis Case Brief will allow you to prepare for class more efficiently, understand the cases you're assigned for class, and have peace of mind knowing that Lexis has a team of authors creating the case briefs for the sole purpose of helping you succeed in law school. You can also find these free LexisNexis case briefs by searching Lexis Palsgraf on Google. The Lexis case brief will appear as the top result, leading you directly to it. Please note you will need to log into your Lexis Plus account the first time you access a case brief through a Google search. Step 2. Read the assigned cases in your textbooks. Having already reviewed the Lexis case briefs and summaries, you now know what to look for in your textbook readings. Reading legal opinions is a skill that can be developed, and the Lexis case briefs and summaries will give you an analytical advantage. Step 3. Review LexisNexis headnotes. The LexisNexis headnotes contain the rules of law relied upon by the courts in their decisions and are the quickest way to grasp the core principles of a case and enhance your legal analysis of the case. By reading the Lexis headnotes, you have access to the exact language used by the court, ensuring accurate understanding. Briefing your own cases using these 3 steps will help you feel confident when preparing for class by grasping the points of law your professors expect you to know. Optimize your reading time and ensure comprehensive understanding of essential legal concepts for class preparation following these 3 streamlined steps. 1. Before reading assigned cases in your textbook, read the Lexis Plus case summaries and case briefs, focusing on the rules, facts, issues, and conclusions. 2. After reviewing the Lexis case briefs and summaries, read the assigned case in your textbook. 3. Review the Lexis headnotes to understand the black-letter law. Now that you know how to look up cases, case briefs, case summaries, and headnotes using Lexis Plus, you have the knowledge necessary to make the most of your reading assignments, as well as create your own case briefs and confidently walk into your classes prepared. If you want to learn more or need research assistance, reach out to your Lexis rep to schedule a training session or contact customer support 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at 1-800-45-LEXIS.